Want to create a password generator in Python? So let me show you how to make one. So first we will take the length of the password from the user. And since we are doing this randomly, so we will take import.random module. Then we will take variables for letters, symbols, digits, and then we will join them together. Let me show you. We will make many variables for this, like letters floor. For uppercase characters, we will take a variable for the upper characters. And instead of writing all the characters in uppercase, we will just write letter slower dot upper, and it will make all these characters into upper characters and store it in this variable. And we'll make a symbols variable and store symbols in it. Now we have taken the symbols variable and have stored the symbols in this variable. Now we will take a digits variable and store digits in it. Now we will join all these in a character variable, meaning cars, you can say. Now we will take a password variable and add and take the random values of the password. That will be Random.choices cars. It will take the values from cars and it will take the length as the length from the user. We are taking the key as the keyword argument for this. Then we will print the password in f string. Your password is, in curly brackets, password. If you like this video, leave a like and please subscribe, and also see the working of this video. So let me enter the length of password at 10, and as you can see the password is this. So now there is a problem that it is showing the password in a list that we do not want. So we'll use the .join string method. So this will join all the strings and remove the list. Now let's see the working again. As you can see, it is able to show the password and it will show it as you want. So if you like this video, please leave a like and please subscribe.